Lust. Let's talk about it. Imagine waking up every day feeling like a slave to your own urges. You tell yourself, today I'll control it. But 10 minutes later, you're scrolling, giving in, then drowning in guilt and emptiness. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to flip that script completely, where lust becomes something you control, not something that controls you? And what if this is genuinely the last video you ever need on this topic? I'm not guessing. I was stuck in that cycle for years. Porn, endless thoughts, ruined focus, shallow relationships. Then I cracked it with 5 simple, brutal steps. I haven't lost since. Stick with me. By the end, you'll have the exact roadmap to become the version of yourself that doesn't lose anymore. But before I give you step 1, understand this. Lust isn't your enemy. Lust is not evil. Lust is not weakness. Lust is not the problem. Uncontrolled lust is. Lust is simply raw desire, a biological force driven by attraction and dopamine. It exists to create intimacy, connection, and continuation of life. But when desire runs without direction, it doesn't build you, it consumes you. And here's what nobody tells you. The more you fight lust emotionally, the stronger it gets. So instead of fighting, we're going to outgrow it. Let me ask you something. After you give in, do you feel stronger or emptier? Because uncontrolled lust does 3 dangerous things. 1, it kills your judgment. Short-term pleasure replaces long-term thinking. You act impulsively. You regret it later. 2, it drains you emotionally. There's no depth, no fulfillment, just a high followed by guilt and loneliness. 3, it fractures your focus. Your mind is always distracted. You want discipline, but your attention is scattered. And slowly, without realizing it, you start expecting fantasy from real life. When real relationships feel boring, that's when ambition dies quietly. But here's the truth. That same energy destroying you can also build you, only if you control it. Lust, when controlled, increases drive, fuels confidence, strengthens relationships, powers discipline and creativity. Lust, when uncontrolled, creates addiction, weakens identity, turns you into a slave of impulses. So the question is not, how do I kill lust? The real question is, how do I stop it from controlling me? Here are the 5 steps. Don't skip any, they work together. Step 1, dopamine reset. Right now, your brain is overdosed. Every 10 minutes, phone, reels, shorts, stories, endless novelty. Your dopamine system is fried, and a fried dopamine system cannot resist lust. Step 3, physical exhaustion. Lust thrives on unused energy. If your body is idle, your mind turns sexual. The solution is simple. Exhaust yourself. Heavy workout in the morning, sports, running, or physical labor in the evening. When your body is tired, your mind is quiet. Testosterone needs direction. Give it the gym or it will drag you somewhere else. Step 4, urge replacement. Here's the rule. Never sit with an urge. An urge is a wave. Ride it for 10 to 15 minutes and it passes. But if you negotiate with it and think, if I just look a little, you've already lost. The moment it hits, cold water on your face, 20 push-ups, walk outside, call someone. Don't suppress, replace. Urges aren't enemies, they're signals of stored energy. Where you send that energy decides who you become. Step 5, anti-boredom plan. An idle mind is the devil's home. Most relapses don't happen because of strong urges. They happen because of boredom. You're alone at home, nothing to do, and suddenly the thought appears. That's why you need an anti-boredom plan ready before the moment hits. Keep a reading list prepared. Start a learning skill you've been avoiding. Work on a side hustle. When boredom strikes, you should already have your next move planned. An idle mind is lust's playground. A busy mind is discipline's battlefield. Stop giving the devil a home inside your head. Now ask yourself honestly, who are you? The man who says, I always lose to my urges, Or the man who decides, I control my body and mind? Because the moment your identity changes, the fight changes. Self-control is not a superpower, it's the foundation. If you can't control yourself, the world will control you. Lust doesn't expose your weakness, it exposes your truth. And now you have the system. So decide. If you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, comment, I'm ready. And before you scroll, like this video, subscribe,